some biscuits. So any biscuits, like chocolate biscuits, ginger nut biscuits. Once the butter's in the pan, then break your chocolate up into the pan. Three tablespoons of golden syrup. Then keep it on a low temperature and keep it mixing until the chocolate has melted in. Once it's all combined, take it off the heat. Add some marshmallows into the biscuits. Put whatever you want in, like popcorn, Maltesers, but we've got some chopped up Snickers. Add the cooled down melted chocolate and then give it a stir. Once all the mixtures combined, add it into a tray.